Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see, set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, brothers and sisters, this time let it be Jawel. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and create good platform. You see, the least I ask if you do is like the videos. See, if you don't want to comment or anything, comment as well. I appreciate love as well. See, because you want now. I can bounce love for eye subject after the item comment, be it positive or negative. Negative criticism works, it helps. See, so we embrace all of them things. See, and the little reasoning, like I said on Instagram, same name, Warwick TV. Them can reach out to us same way and we have a discussion in the message section. The item can message I with certain topics, knowledge, and them things that where the item I love and I expound upon. See, just like me and my brother asked me a reason not long ago while watching the end of the Commonwealth game, because it come to a close now, and it was a beautiful thing. The game itself, a nice game and thing like that, and everybody enjoyed themselves. Jamaica make some major achievement again, as usual. Games record set by the youth in the triple jump discipline. I can't remember his name. But I don't know how soon. That's the thing we're not too good with name, because right now we're brain is in challenge. The focus upon a degree, a certain thing. See, and again, distraction with the girls we perform at the end of the game while me I do this. See, but what I notice and observe is that the team music them for the Commonwealth game was reggae. See? A while ago, the Commonwealth game at end, I say Asian performer, Indian performer, I sing a shaggy. See it, and everybody, and it a mash up the stadium, and everybody a bounce and a relate to it and a go on. See, but overall, from my observation, the Commonwealth game take on a Jamaica theme. The thing about that now is, as me always, you see, our politicians and officials don't want Jamaicans to know this, because in so doing now, Jamaica now start embrace values once again. And me talk how much people value our culture, people abroad value our culture more than we do. And these things are not being, educated into our youths them so that them can grow with a level of pride. I mean, Jamaica itself deserve more pride from its people than it is getting at the moment. Jamaican people no love Jamaica, the Jamaica where them have. It's like them no realize. You have a good thing and you just take it for granted. See. So Usain Bolt, we kinda observe a thing with you in the old Commonwealth games, the game, and the Commonwealth game, bring it to the forefront. But when we take it way back further, we observe, say, from the moment you quit the sport, if you did initiate athletic wear, particularly a running shoes, I would be one of the biggest used brand throughout all of these Olympics and things like that. See, I don't know how the eye think of that. I mean, everybody I use the Chinese them sweatshop and I build them thing, and it's legal and accepted worldwide. Everybody, so the reason why one of the most popular, the most known athlete on the face of the planet not exploiting these opportunities that is like, to him, it's a inheritance. It's part time. It's just natural. You see, I see my struggling in music. I struggle in that. You know nothing about music. You know, I understand the game. I learn. You spend your money and now to learn the music, while the athletics field and its values are there for the taking. You see, it come like somebody do a brain works on you. Mark Springer said that to me earlier, but him never did that talk in reference to Usain Bolt. I don't think so. You know, where Dave Chappelle did give a speech where him say, oh, a particular African tribe find water in a desert areas and things like that is tricking the baboon by putting a lump of salt in a carved out hole, and the baboon push him in there and grab the salt and have a fist. The man can't come back through. And no matter how him nah leg up the salt, that's how much him love it. So the man them can come tie him and control him. You see it, and take out him and then give him the salt, make him eat it. Now them keep him there tied and thing like that for a little while until, you know, in thirst and can't, see, yeah. Now the thing about that now is because baboon have a sixth sense how to find water. So for them get water for them drink, them have to make the baboon want water. So that's the baboon run go dig up water for them and thing like that, and so them exploit the baboon. You see, so it come like somebody give Bolt a whole heap of money and push this music idea in them. It's not a bad idea, you know. You see, because part of our culture same way we love, we know some love it, and yeah, we know some love it. But it's not your area of expertise, to say the least. See, the way you could have is get a team to deal with that, a team where knowledgeable and know for craft the thing, if the intent was to make any returns or anything like that. It's like an experiment, a child with tie. And the same thing, man could have make billions, turn over millions. Every athletic meet will happen since Usain Bolt retire from the sport would have sell a lot of Usain Bolt wear, sport wear. Every athlete, most athlete could have won. You know, see it? Worse if him collab with a big brand, an already big established brand and thing like that, you know? But regardless of what go on, you just know say the Bolt brand, you know, the lightning bolt, it stand out. And furthermore, that people don't want, you don't want their name on a Nike or a Puma. Yeah, you and Nike collab, but at the Bolt, just like Kanye West and them collab, but a Yeezy a produce and a make. You get what I say? Them things that we are talking about, Jenna. And you could have do it by your own, you don't need them. You could have do it on the back of Jamaica's popularity. You know, the embrace where people all over the world embrace the culture. You could have do it on the back of that alone. You know, you don't necessarily, because Jamaica is a worldwide brand just like any one of them brand. Our politicians them do not exploit these things and make us knowledgeable of these things, because it will make us more independent of them and demand more of them. Would have be independent without we educate ourselves or we treat ourselves medically and all of them things. So would have be independent of them to a degree where, you know, we are demand. So uneducated masses is where the DJ them and politicians and people in position of influence benefit from greatly, profit from greatly. Because you don't know if you defend yourself, you don't know your rights, you don't know if you defend your right, ask for your right or talk for your rights. You don't even know if what you say is right. You see, you know, these are the things that they exploit and make for them bed pocket world offer. I mean, if you go out and make yourself a man, our politician them is not interested in that, because them could have sell Jamaica to a degree. Them done a thief tourism and backside already. You know, see, them could have easily well market reggae music a way where it's like it becomes now like what they call it, you know, like a welfare type thing for everybody. You know, see, like a social funding every facet of life I benefit from certain level of the music. You see, that could have easily happened. But and the fanfare for them, dreamless, visionless idiot here, where I use poor people every day with some little mediocre tactics because the people are uneducated and naive. You see, them little, them little loose man, you're interested in them thing there for teach, for people get certain level of influence or power, independence, financially in themselves. As bad as things be at Jamaica, it could have been a lot better. The politicians, them, deliberately make it that way they rasta. Now, I ask you, these things are things where people do all over the world and you could have copied them. And I like so well then, you're in an area or a zone where certain things can't happen. No, furthermore, we're not going there. The politicians, them just worthless and degree, them just chur. See? But Usain Bolt himself could have did and should have, Rasta. I cannot, me and my brethren cannot for the stupidity we're in our house. Never understand the reason why Usain Bolt never create or make some form of athletic wear. It look like the athletic world put him under pressure. As a black youth, I make him know say, hey boy, don't touch this, If you touch this, right, because them know him potential. I mean, none of them ever try to exploit him name in popularity again for use. Everybody do it. You have the Jordans, and before Jordan make film own, you did have a collab with Nike and all them sort of thing there, my general. You see, you still have Nike Jordans this day, and them still popular. You see, so, and nothing's changed with our alien we are talking about. And every athlete, one of them aim and dream and greatest desire that is to have them own brand. Athletic wear. What happened to Usain Bolt? I mean, this is a simple ABC. In manager with them amongst him where one become an entertainer, where I would have considered is beneath them in terms of them ability. It's like boys with ties now. You just want, you're rich, so you just want to buy a new big pretty car and all sort of car and drive them, crash them, mash them up and dash them up because you can't afford to do it. You see, give them a come out like when Tyson did well super rich, him just see a man where must see for a long time and just give him the Bentley where my drive and say, yo, that's yours. And gone boy in business. You see it? You come like a damn mentality there. Approach there. Usain Bolt have towards the whole thing Rasta, which it can't really sit well with a youth like me. And you won't know that. And these questions are questions we need to ask. And we are asking for start a brand. So that's we can wear a Usain Bolt sneakers boy, yeah? Our trainers and feel good. But what I'm telling you, I want to tell you, you that to that sell down boy, yeah? I never seen a Bolt. No man, a joke thing that. Man, you see it, man. You must under some pressure, man. Some guy must have a body up. Nike them or Puma them a body up and they say, hey boy, can't make the shoes, make the shoes. You see, yeah. We can't look on it now that way. No. Shanzia. Yeah, we don't really embrace the things them way you're doing. And how you do your things them. But you know what? You can make with some money, Yeah, you can make with some money too. You see, because if you did have a Shanzia perfume brand, come on, with your millions of, everyone, why wouldn't your fan them 10,000 out of your millions of blood teeth follower them, one by one of them there? And you have to go engineer no scent in a Rasta. You have whole heap of unclaimed scent out there where the man them we can mix proper scent mix. And if they wait for somebody come test them and like them and brand them, buy it and gone. Yeah, so the business go. Spice, you may talk to. Cause you go on like your ego bigger than God. And you make Dior, Christian Dior or whichever Dior, just attach you to them thing. No independent way of thinking. No exposed knowledge of how the world view the item. And the item travel the world and them sort of thing there. It's like the item caged. The item imagination caged. Mediocre. To say the least. Regardless of who want Kylie Jenner them and whoever want a control for them thing over America. Yeah? Jamaica there so. And not just Jamaica, all across the Caribbean and them little thing there. Why can't, I want to look on it and say, yo, we'll create a chance here. Why can't Spice say, sugar create a spice? Spice. You did have all spice already, when it was the brand of the day. See, I wasn't born them time, I don't think. I think I born in a big wheel days. You see, but spice nowadays, man, it's just the name would already have a resonance with people. Spice. Come on. A perfume named Spice. You tag yourself on Dior and all them. It's mediocre thinking. It's a dependency state of mind. It's like the item don't respect them own abilities. And, well, we know, again, the item travel. Item well traveled. So them know the love affair between Jamaica and people across the world, Rasta. But the dreamless, and you know, if you dream, Mr. Celebrity and everybody now do them things, there's a standard process. Them here, once you become known and popular, once it becomes a brand, you see it. You not just live off of where where do them guy Rasta? Anyway, this is Shanzy and Spice, a small fry them there. So we will allow them for a bit, but still them thing can work and we want them work it so that some people can get some jobs, Rasta, and benefits start flow. Spice look like she mean like, I don't know, you see, but I saw that go. You see, no, Bolt, it's shocking, Rasta, to say the least. The more I think about it, is the more, astounded. The whole situation just look, so Bolt. You see? Yeah, and now when I look upon you, when I vision, in a studio a Ray and a Blame, I say, wait. Come like, no, Rasta, come like a waste of time thing. I'm not telling a lie. Come like a waste of time thing. You see, you going in a competition where it's like, so well then, anybody can come up from the dirt and just jump in it and go, just do them thing and still I make more success than you. You see it? We just said that should be a side project, Rasta. That music thing should be a side project. Athletics are your thing. You see it? You should have make some running gears and all them sort of thing there, Rasta. Yeah. Make the youth them feel good. Inspire you. How just happen to? How Bolt do, Rasta? No, man. Somebody need to reach out to. No, man. This beyond perception, Rasta. And as much people around him and nobody now suggest it to him. Where must him can't bother with that, but him can't bother with music. With that. Yo, somebody need to go knock on Bolt door and wake him up here, sir. We not have that. That's I won't listen to that, man. You see, that when you are the most known athlete on the planet. The most known athlete on the planet. The most loved athlete on the planet. I've never seen nothing like this yet. This come like never see come see Rasta. I joke this. I joke that, but I made a move that a boy thing that. You see, say all I go on them draw some little gear aspersion pan a youth named Tyson Beckford. Where, and regardless of what go on, we know there's something endorse homosexuality. Because we don't embrace it. See, but lie or true, you see him have a class, him have a style, but him a standard. And man fi do that, man fi rise to higher standard, Rasta. You see it? Look right for a man come down and come on, some little joke thing below you. I mean, you rise past them level of mediocre stardom, yeah. When music. Blood cleat. You know, if it was America or Britain, Bolt come from, he wouldn't have no talking of that matter. Because people that just make him look ridiculous or just drop him respect if them not see my profile along the way. If them see my hit below your bed and all below your standard and all them type of thing. It's like, you know, yeah. That record studio, every song you release, oh, it's a hit this now, watch out. Hey, listen, watch out. Hey, it's come like a man when a race a shop Bolt. You know that the groom when a race him, they have no money for himself, but him just a tell, who's that one I go in? I tell you, hey, come now. Yeah, I saw you look, Usain Bolt. Come like a joke, like you just, yeah. No disrespect, you know I hate them, done. Give thanks.